Do you ever find yourself stuck as a third wheel? Whether your best friend only has time to hang out if you tag along on a date, or you have buddies who seem attached at the hip, we'll help you deal. First, only agree to plans when you're in a great mood, so the outing feels like a way to unwind instead of someone else's date. Next, turn the tables by including the couple in your own plans. Suggest energetic group activities like laser tag, or float the idea of bringing another friend along to instantly transform the dynamic. If the couple gets a little too sappy or starts packing on the PDA, don't sweat it. Just give them space, entertain yourself, and make sure you have reliable transportation so you can head home early if you need to. Ultimately, use this time to enjoy your independence and focus on your own hobbies. When you prioritize your own excitement and put yourself first, it's impossible to be the third wheel.